Hello neighbors and friends. I created another video compilation of wildlife in Spring Valley, California. So this compilation contains the following: wild bees scattered around in swarms, basically a swarm of bees, a hawk in midair, a rabbit eating a homemade plate as a bird feeder, makeshift bird feeder, works pretty good. A quail bullying a dove, and then the most exciting, or I should say dangerous one of all, a coyote pup attacking and eating a quail. So this is the compilation that I was able to catch on camera. Hopefully you are going to enjoy it.
So we have a bee swarm. Look at that bee swarm. Oh my God. I hope I don't get bit by these bees. Meanwhile, we have a hawk in midair. Yeah, we have tons of bees. I don't know, man. What in the world is going on? I don't know what in the world is going on. Why are there so many bees? I hope they're not like the killer bees. Yeah. These are some serious bees right there. Serious bees. I don't understand if you can see it in the camera, but they're like, I don't know, hundreds maybe, if not thousands. Hundreds of these in our backyard. And yeah. See all the danger I have to put myself into to bring you the best footage of the wildlife. So, before I get bit by any of these bees, I better back up and leave.
So here we have a rabbit. A nice little rabbit trying to eat locust, which was dropped from the tree. Now rabbits cannot climb the trees, unlike the squirrels, so they only eat what's left over and whatever falls down. Now this rabbit eats with such an appetizing way that made me go and eat some. So here we have a homemade makeshift bird feeder that I drilled a couple of holes in a plate and I screwed it on the water fountain frame. It does attract all kinds of birds, including these nice finches, and I've also seen some doves come and eat off of that plate. Notice there's all kinds of varieties of seeds, including sunflower seed and smaller seeds that are basically wild bird food to cover all types of birds. Here, this is an interesting scene. We have a quail that's chasing a dove. Let's see. And this quail is making an amazing sound. Amazing sound. Okay, this is a female. So there is a dove. The dove was chased away. And she's not through. She's chasing that dove. It's coming after that dove. I don't know why they have anything against the doves. There, the dove has... She had to fly away. So now the quail... Now this one, that one was female. This one is a male quail. Beautiful, amazing creatures. Okay, here, so I was at home and all of a sudden I noticed the coyote is running after something. So I came and the quail was yelling. Listen to that quail yelling.
Yeah.
That quail is yelling because it's scared of that coyote. There, the quail ran away, coyote went after it, and right there, the coyote took something. And later on, I just found out that it was a quail chick. It was a quail chick that it snatched. So I lost the coyote for a second. So I had to zoom in, and it was chewing the snatched chick. So there it is. Now I can see it. So now I'm gonna zoom there.
Still chewing it.
So the mother quail flew away, but the chick paid the ultimate price and couldn't run away
The
from
mother
the
quail is
coyote.
crying.
This is where the mother ran away, in the bushes somewhere, and there the mother is hiding, basically hiding away from the coyote. But yeah, the actual moment that it snatched the chick wasn't caught on camera. But you know, my camera is rolling. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.